Talking about our family is nice, but it's better when we can say what people in our families like. So let's learn verb gustar. In Español, gustar signifies to be pleasing. In English, the equivalent is to like. Por ejemplo, en inglés decimos I like Spanish. En español decimos to me, Spanish is pleasing. Let's see how this works. I like the beach. In English, I is the subject, like is the verb, the beach is the direct object. In Spanish, the beach is the subject, to please is the verb, and me is the indirect object. The word order seems actually backwards in Spanish. The indirect object comes first, the verb comes second, and finally, the subject of the verb is at the end of the sentence. You can make these sentences negative by adding no at the beginning. So the sentence would be, Me gusta la playa. Who's doing the liking? You need to know the indirect object pronouns so people will understand who is doing the liking in the sentence. Repeat after me. Me, te, le, nos, os, les. Gusta is the verb form of gustar that you use when you like a singular noun or an infinitive, as in a verb. Gustan is what you use when you like something that's plural. Let's see this in action. Le gusta nadar, he likes to swim, she likes to swim, or you like to swim, as in usted. Les gusta la playa, they like the beach, you like the beach, as in ustedes. If you want to clarify who you're talking about, you can say a mí. A mí me gusta la playa. A ti te gusta la playa. A ella le gusta la playa. A nosotros nos gusta la playa. A vosotros os gusta la playa. A ellos, a ellas, a ustedes les gusta la playa. Here are some sample sentences. Me gusta o me gustan, te gusta, te gustan, le gustan, nos gustan, os gustan, les gustan. So we could say me gusta la comida mexicana, or we could say me gustan los tacos. Te gusta la comida mexicana, te gustan los tacos. Le gusta la comida mexicana, le gustan los tacos, etc. ¿Cómo se dice I like the coffee in español? El café, like is gusta, and me gusta el café. Repite, me gusta el café. ¿Cómo se dice you like cars? If you remember, if we want to say you, we have to use te. Te gustan los coches because gustan is used with plural nouns. He doesn't like to dance. Bailar, gusta, because this is a verb or an infinitive. No le gusta bailar. We like our teachers. Los profesores o nuestros profesores, our teachers, gustan because it's plural, and nos gustan nuestros profesores. You guys don't like to go to the movies. Ir al cine, gusta, because it's an infinitive, no os gusta ir al cine. You try. They like history and Spanish. La historia y el español gustan les. Hi everybody! We're going to try a few more examples together, okay? I'm going to open up a Word document and we'll do some more together. If you want, pause the video and try them yourself. Don't worry if it's still difficult. We'll keep going over more examples in class tomorrow. But do write down any questions you have. Okay, I like to study. So, if we remember back to the charts we saw earlier, we know that if we want to talk about ourselves, we have to use me. And we know that we're going to have to use either gusta or gustan. Because it's the verb to study, we're going to choose gusta. And then we're going to add the verb to study, que se recuerden bien que es estudiar. Okay? Me gusta estudiar. In the next example, we have Elena. So to make sure we clarify to who we're talking to that it's Elena that likes, we're going to add in a Elena and then le, because that's what we use when we talk about he or she likes. In this sentence, it's a verb that comes after likes, so we're going to use gusta and then mirar la televisión. Let's skip down to Carlos and Miguel like cars. I'm going to skip here because it says cars. Okay, so for the first time we're seeing an example where it's something plural. Just like in a Elena, we're going to say a Carlos y a Miguel. But here we're not going to say le because it's two people. Les gustan because it's cars. Los coches. Do you understand? How about we don't like homework? If you remember from the video, you have to add a no for negative, nos for we, gusta because it's the verb to do, so now we'll add in to do, hacer en la tarea. ¿Entienden? Entonces, vamos a hacer más uno. Do you guys like to look at photos? Okay, so we're going to do a question. And do you guys like to look at photos? Okay, let's see. You guys, os, okay, to look at photos, gusta mirar las fotos? Question. ¿Os gusta mirar las fotos? And finally, another question, we would put an upside down question mark here. You like to go shopping, right? Te, oh, my font changed. Te gusta, and to go shopping, ir de compras. Oh. And then finally, we add right, but we won't do it here. We'll just put the question mark. How was that? Do you feel better? I hope so. See you in class tomorrow.